Happy day 63. I have Easter time. I now have 4 videos uploading right now. AJ is excited because we're going back to my brother's thing. He's been asking for the last 2 hours if we're leaving yet. We're going to start with a ginger shot. It's Sunday morning. Brooklyn has yogurt all over her lips and she's dancing. She's special. Hold on, Will. I'm gonna feed you in a second. Babe, you want this ginger shot? Oh, you heard her meow.
Oh, I'll feed her.
What? Where do you go, Lexi's house?
I want to say hi.
Okay.
Look at her.
Brooklyn's turn. Oh my god! I can't lift her up!
Come here.
Oh my god!
Kitty, you heavy.
Girl, you get huge.
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Mommy, look at
Say good morning.
Mommy.
Say good morning.
That's it.
Oh my gosh.
She gave me a dirty one. Ah. Ah.
Apple cider gummies,
I don't want to eat.
super green gummies.
AJ, do you want it?
Why are you trying to give it
He
away?
said, no.
It's really yummy.
I got the red stuff.
AJ said, no.
You want it?
Sea moss gummies.
I want to eat this.
I got something new yesterday, guys.
Wow.
I got these yesterday. Y'all know I take the energy in the multi.
What's this?
Be so calm.
What's this?
You think I need to eat the whole bottle to make it work?
What's this?
Just saying.
What's this?
2 pieces twice daily. Reduce stress and promotes relaxation.
What is it?
Improve quality of sleep. Supports sexual health.
Oh, yeah.
And more.
Honey.
Milk chocolate acai berry flavor and a fluffy center combined with KSM 66 ashwagandha and reishi mushroom extract. Benefits have never tasted this good. Benefits in every bite. Now I have apple cider goalie, super greens goalie, multivitamin goalie, energy goalie, and Kong goalie.
You got the whole goalie collection.
There's more.
There's more?
Yeah, there's all kind of stuff. Alright, so I took all my gummies. I took my thing. Okay, next is Fat Burner. Organics Nature. And now I'm gonna make my shakes. I have that. I'm gonna add 2 scoops of espresso. Yes, baby. Yeah, you can bring it. Silk creamer, tablespoon of that. Ice. Put all that in there. This morning I am not going to sit down and work. I'm going to clean my house and I'll bring my stuff and work at my brother's house because, yeah. Okay. And now the Queen Bee Pearlessa. Which reminds me, I told y'all I gained 6 ounces on, that was Friday, on Friday night because of my nephew's graduation party. I already lost it. It's gone plus some because, and I really thought I would gain some more ounces last night because I ate lumpia and then drank coffee like really late. But nope, I lost more ounces. Cheers to the prolapsing fat burner.
I got hoop earrings.
Are you guys ready to eat?
Yes! Food, food. Mommy.
You want some eggs and toast, man?
Bro. When I say you say bro.
Alright, so we massively cleaned our house, finished all the laundry, and now I'm going to take all of these and I'm gonna eat a little snack and run to the store. So I'll be back when I figure out what I'm gonna have for a snack. I'm just gonna eat a banana. Okay. I'm eating a banana and I'm gonna go get dressed and run to the store. I have to pick up my nephew's cheesecake for his birthday party. So I'm gonna pick up his cake and pick up. There was something else I was supposed to get. I don't know. I don't remember. I'll remember soon. And I'll tell you on my store. Okay, fine. Our cheesecakes for the party.
I'll eat that one.
What?
I'm eat that one.
These things are amazing looking. I want this one right here. That's beautiful.
I want that.
I want that.
Cake. And that. And that. I want that. And that. And that. And that.
Yeah, that looks so good.
With the berries on it. Yeah. That looks really good.
That's gonna be your birthday cake, Cadence.
That's rain, y'all.
Oh no, it's not. That's the vegetables. I just got home and my husband has the platter out that they sent home with us after the graduation party because we're like the only people in the family that will just sit around and eat this. They blessed us with it.
Sure did.
So I'm gonna snack on it before we go. Thank you, baby.
You want more lumpia? Finish?
This is good. What kind of hummus is that? They gave us the hummus too. It's spicy.
Sweet chili garlic.
Mmm. Yummy. This is what I'm eating.
You want to spin on your head?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lyra. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yeah, grab it. That's not her.
What?
It's like the Douglas.
Why are you scared? The water is not gonna blow up.
You're gonna get all kinds of crap in the pool
You want
now.
cheesecake?
Oh my, you're so dirty. Me? I want cheesecake.
I got a bunch of
Chocolate
these.
or regular?
Chocolate.
I want the
I
whole.
want the one with the strawberry.
They have both.
Yeah.
Two little piece of both.
chocolate.
Here, I'll say
Okay.
I'm gonna use one.
You want chocolate?
Piece of chocolate.
Okay.
Wait, I just
Wait, can I take a picture, Eli? Alright guys, we're home. Back home, everybody is cleaned up and getting comfy and ready to go to bed. It's 10:14.
I slayed that.
They're watching Pitch Perfect. I'm sure you can hear the auditions in the background. But yes, I ate cheesecake for my nephew's birthday. I'm a horrible vlogger for food on how to lose weight. Tomorrow's gonna be a great day. Y'all sick of me saying that, aren't you? Super greens. apple cider. Sea moss.
Can you show them items?
My daughter thinks these are the most disgusting things in the world, but she wanted apple cider. So I found these. And they have like this fake sugary coat, so she likes these. Sea moss.
This water is like not getting hot enough.
Fat burner.
Now it is.
We about to drink some tea. I'm gonna have some tea too.
Let me turn this back on because you be liking your tea like
I like my tea hot,
mouth
hot.
burning. I'm gonna lose taste buds.
I like my tea hot. I got the new gravity phone case, guys. I don't know why I put it in this tripod. She is. We're gonna start using it tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to make a hot tea because I've got absolutely no work done today whatsoever, like none. And then I'm going to sleep. So this weekend is finally over. I can finally get back on track tomorrow and be great again. So it was an extremely long weekend because it started on Thursday. All the shenanigans started on Thursday. I've been messing up since Thursday, but I didn't gain no weight though. Okay, see you guys on the next video.